You could just see cars, all hot rods and stuff. You're like, yeah, we're at the right event. I'm Greg Orr. We're from up in Pueblo, Colorado. Decided we'd come out here today. Well, actually this here weekend, so it's been a pretty committed thing here to Bowling Green and stuff. This the LS Fest. It's beautiful. Like, this is something to see, the cars, the people, the different builds. Stuff. It's been pretty entertaining. I've been to a lot of events, a lot of activities, but this one here really piques a lot of interest. Wasn't what I was really expecting. It's a 61 Buick Skylark. We started out with, it was a 53,000 original mile car, running, driving, power glide, aluminum V8. As to, well, today's standards, that's not good enough. So what do we do next? Talk to my boy. There we go. We got an LS in it. Just going to be a cruiser. Well, got a lot of racing history to me, so a little more add-on, a little more add-on. Hey, Dad, you need the Holley EFI on there. Okay, yeah, that sounds pretty good. What else we want to do? Well, we'll just control everything. Well, what are we going to do? Put turbos? Yeah, let's do turbos. Then pretty soon, yeah, that's got the boost controller. Yeah, so we're running everything through the Holley, so it's manageable. I got the whole Holley dash in it. Basically, the whole Holley through the whole car. It's managing everything. We got one system controlling everything, which makes it easier. Over the years, I've had multiple things, and it's just, you got to open this window, you got to open that one. It's just more of a thing. I wanted something that was daily driver in a sense. That's why we opted for this. My boy really knows the Holley stuff as well. He's been working with it for quite a while, so it kind of let us that, got us up into the new age. Well, then as you're sitting in the garage, you just keep upping the parts. We come up with the idea, well, I like half-mile racing. Let's go for 200 mile an hour. So that's really where the car was designed around, built for, kept increasing the add-ons, the safety aspect, the drivability of it, because I wanted to be able to drive from the event once we did it and stuff. So yeah, that's what's brought us into the new age of the EFIs. We've been 200.8 mile an hour in a standing half mile. We haven't done anything quarter mile, eighth mile, no hits at all. So we decided, well, let's go down here. We're amongst other people. So let's just try something different. We'll see. Really haven't changed none of the settings on the car from our half mile stuff. So we just figured, let's see if we can keep it pretty much the same setting. Go out and start making some hits, just kind of see where we're at. So my boy made the hits on it there yesterday. We went 933 at 153 mile an hour. We still got a lot of room to grow and go with it. And then we turned it up a little bit. I think that was right around 15 to 18 pounds of boost and stuff. So it wasn't a lot, but you got to start somewhere. It's a 325 gear in the back of it with a turbo 400 3-speed in it. That stuff. The motor's a 427 LS, powering it with the twin 76 millimeter turbos on it. When we did the half mile, we was roughly right around 28.5 pounds of boost. You get through that, it's what, 7,600 RPM, so it's winging a little bit. We still got a few hundred RPMs we can play with, so.
Thanks for coming out here, man. We really appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
And what a beautiful car. I hope you guys have a great weekend out
here. Oh, it's been fantastic. We're just kind of just relaxing, chilling, enjoying just the atmosphere. This has been really awesome.